every satanic sect explained in 12 minutes. And even if you have not watched your way through the Satan and Satanism playlist, surely you might know of other types than what the documentary I'm talking about mentions. Hedonism regards the consequences, and it doesn't mean one needs to play at a particular mythology. Becoming and working out an identification is key to the left-hand path. Satanism is not the same as political disruptions. Alchemical change doesn't usually require crime and perversion. Online groups are not really secret. The government control records it all. A person could argue that Satanism is honest about what is called paganism and is about personal superiority. Luciferian is not the same as satanic. People do use symbolism and can do rituals as they see fit, though. The ability to alternate and go beyond dualist or standard morality is pretty standard to Satanism. Let's not confuse politics and supposed justice movements for Satanism.